Hey folks, what a beautiful day it's turned out to be across the valley. Temperatures warming into the upper 70s and low 80s this afternoon. We're still 81 from Weslaco back to McAllen, 84 in Rio Grande City. A little cooler at the beach, but comfortable. 72 at South Padre, 73 in Port Isabel. Overnight, not as cool as last night. Upper 60s. Fog's going to be hard to come by, but there could be a little bit for a little while, but that wind's going to pick up probably during the overnight hours. And once that happens, any fog that forms is going to be out of here in a hurry, and that'll be the case tomorrow. Not the fog, but the wind. Southeast winds 15 to 35 and gusts to over 40 probably. So count on a very windy and warm day with temperatures climbing back in the 80s under partly cloudy skies during the daytime tomorrow. The normal high now is 79. We're going to be above that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 84, 84, and 86. We're not quite record levels, but 90 is a record on Friday. We won't be far off from that, but probably won't make it. Satellite, a lot of fog early this morning, but that burned off. And once it burned off, we got some sunshine in here. Turned out to be a delightful day. And Future Track says we see some patchy clouds overnight tonight and maybe patchy fog. But by tomorrow morning, sun comes up early. Wind kicks up strong out of the southeast. By lunchtime, it's just partly cloudy and very windy across the region. Probably a few high clouds moving in. So even though down here at the ground, we may be, partly sunny, you get up high enough, there's some high clouds up there. So it may not be just a clear blue sky tomorrow. Rain chances, though, we don't see anything the next 3 days. Now, Friday night into Saturday morning, there's a slight possibility, but I think most areas will stay dry. Rest of South Texas right now, 82 in Laredo, 73 in San Antonio, Houston 74. Push back, look at the rest of the state. Obviously, no cold air on the move in Texas right now. It's 75 all the way up in Lubbock. Underneath there, Oklahoma City, 71. 75 in Dallas, a nice day statewide for the middle part of November. Some high clouds already streaming into West Texas. Again, these high clouds may kind of mess with our blue sky tomorrow just a little bit, but again, not a rainmaker, nothing like that anytime soon. Watch the fronts. There's nothing in the state tomorrow at all, just a very windy day, but another one makes its way into the state on Thursday. That front pushes southward on Friday, moving in here overnight Friday night, early Saturday. Could it trigger a shower? It could. Best chance will be right at the coast, probably pre-dawn on Saturday. And then after that, more than likely, our rain chance goes away again for a few days. Traveling tomorrow, 63 in San Antonio in the morning, 60 in Dallas. A lot of high clouds across the state. By afternoon, most of the state recovers in the 70s. Will be warmer, be a little cooler in North and West Texas. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, 68, partly cloudy, breezy and mild. Winds out of the southeast, 6 to 12. Tomorrow, just a downright windy day, 84 for the high. That wind out of the southeast, 15 to 35. More than likely gusting to over 40. As we look at the next 7 days, we keep it in the 80s through Friday. Weak front comes in Friday night, Saturday. Then we cool it off a little bit. Not dramatically, a little bit cooler on Saturday. 74. The nighttime lows, though, drop in the 50s. By next week, we're right back in the 80s again. Long-range models say another front late Tuesday into early Wednesday, cooling it off just a little bit for Thanksgiving. Not very much. We'll take a look at that Thanksgiving forecast and have your update a little bit later on. We'll be right back.